Do you want to run Android apps and games on your PC? If so, then make sure to finish this short video tutorial. Now if you have the application on your phone, you can use the phone link to access the app from any Windows machine. You can also use BlueStacks to download the app directly from the Google Play Store. And in order for you to do that, download BlueStacks installer from this web page, then click BlueStacks. Once downloaded, double-click on the file, then click Install Now. Now after installing, open BlueStacks, click App Player, select System Apps, then open the Google App Store. Now in here, you can click Sign In with your Google account, search for the game you want to download, click Download, then that's it. You have now downloaded Android apps on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.